Bittensor is a decentralized network where anyone in the world can contribute intelligence and get paid for it. Here is the simplest way to understand it. Right now, AI is controlled by a handful of companies. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Meta. They build the models, they own the data centers, they decide who gets access and at what price. Bittensor flips that. Instead of one company doing everything, Bittensor creates an open marketplace where thousands of independent participants compete to provide valuable digital services, and the network pays them in TAO, its native token. The network is organized into subnets. Each subnet is like a specialized division focused on a specific task. Most subnets are AI-focused, text generation, image recognition, training large language models, providing GPU compute. But the architecture is general enough that subnets can do other things too. There are subnets for sports analytics, real estate data, decentralized betting, and infrastructure services. If you can define a task and measure quality, you can build a subnet for it. There are 128 subnet slots, and all of them are currently filled. Within each subnet, there are two roles. Miners do the work, running models, processing data, collecting information, or whatever that subnet requires. Validators check the miner's work to make sure it is high quality. The better a miner performs, the more TAO they earn. Validators earn TAO for keeping the system honest. This creates a competitive marketplace where the best work rises to the top. TAO is the token that powers everything. It is used to pay miners and validators, to stake on subnets you believe in, and to register new subnets. The total supply is capped at 21 million, similar to Bitcoin. New TAO is created through emissions which flow to subnets based on how much capital the market allocates to them. Why does this matter? Because it means AI development is no longer limited to companies with billion-dollar budgets. Anyone with a GPU can mine. Anyone with TAO can stake. Anyone with a good idea can launch a subnet. And the market, not a committee, decides what is valuable. That is Bittensor in 3 minutes, a decentralized, open marketplace for intelligence and digital services, powered by crypto economic incentives where the best work wins.